Known for its medieval architecture, I can almost guarantee you've seen pictures of Rothenburg of the Tauber. Thanks to its compact size, you can easily explore Rothenburg of the Tauber in one day. As small as Rothenburg may be, its abundance of historical sites, churches, and monuments is overwhelming. Nowhere else has so much of the Middle Ages been preserved as in Rothenburg of the Tauber. Anyone strolling through the old town with its secluded squares, towers, fountains, and gates might well believe it. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Rothenburg of the Tauber should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Rothenburg of the Tauber. One thing that I really enjoyed about Rothenburg is all of the gates and towers in the city. Until today, the gates remain in great condition. You can even drive through some of them, adorned with clock towers or turrets. Each one has a slightly different look and flair to it. The town is a living testimony to medieval history, with its well-preserved old town, which sets picturesquely above the Tauber Valley, and its characteristic half-timbered houses. The town embodies the charm of times gone by. Visitors from all over the world are attracted by the unique atmosphere that Rothenburg has to offer. In the heart of the medieval town, you will find the Marktplatz. This picturesque square is the historical center of Rothenburg of the Tauber. It is surrounded by a number of historic buildings, including the Town Hall, St. James Church, and the Town Hall Tower. But Rothenburg is much more than a historical relic. The lively town invites you to sit numerous cafes, restaurants, and shops to linger and enjoy. Rothenburg of the Tauber is still surrounded by the original medieval walls. These historic fortifications run roughly 4 kilometers around the city and are totally open to the public. They are one of the top attractions to explore in Rothenburg. As I continued to stroll through the town, I finally came across the famous landmark, the Plönölein. It's a small place by the fountain. It includes the fountain in front of the half-timbered yellow house and the two towers of the old city wall. The Plönölein is a real-world star. Starting with Walt Disney classic Pinocchio in 1940, its architecture is repeatedly copied by artists, architects, and designers when it comes to depicting a typical medieval European backdrop. It appears in video games, music videos, and Japanese manga The Little Snow Fairy Sugar in 2001. In this city is where Waffenkammer shop can be found. Here you can immerse yourself in the fascinating world of the Middle Ages. There are a unique range of goods that reflects the life of the people in the Middle Ages, such as knights' armor, swords, pens, honey wines, garments, figures, and much more bring times past to life. In Rothenburg of the Tauber is where the Kathy Woolmart Christmas Village can be found. It is Europe's largest year-round Christmas shop, offers everything you need for an atmospheric Christmas celebration. A shop open all year round that offers an impressive selection of Christmas decorations. You can immerse yourself in the festive atmosphere and be inspired by the variety. Before you leave the town, make sure to visit the Rue der Turm. It is the starting point for the Rothenburg Tower Trail, which largely follows the city wall around the old town. One can go up to the tower with a small entrance fee. You can enjoy a breathtaking view over the old town, including the striking towers and the medieval wall. Whether you are meandering through the cobblestone lanes or taking in a bird's eye view from the medieval walls, exploring Rothenburg's old world charm is a must-do experience in Bavaria. Regardless of how you explore, I can practically guarantee that this town will bring a smile to your face because it is captivating. Each of the sites in Rothenburg of the Tauber tells its own story and contributes to the unmistakable charm of the city. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!